Hello everyone and welcome to Tipsy. If you are new to this channel, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for new post notifications and updates. And for more details, do not forget to check the links in the description of this video. Without wasting any much time, let's dive directly into our today's episode. So in our today's episode, actually, we are going to be introducing you to top soccer prediction apps that you can actually use to make your bet picks. And of course, if you want to see a list of the top soccer prediction app that we have actually handpicked and craft them out for you, then do not forget to check links below this video description. So let's dive directly into our today's episode. So in our today's episode, the first actually in our list is actually BetMinds. Of course, this is how the shortcut of the app look like. When you are actually, make sure to come to your Play Store here. For example, click and open on Play Store and you'll be taken to your Play Store section. At the top search here on Play Store, make sure to click it and type BetMinds. When you type BetMinds here, you click the search button, this is going to open for you. So let's click the search. This is how it actually looks like. Here you can see the screen, how it actually looks like, and this is how it is from the inside. And of course, when you have actually installed it, here for me it is update because I already have it installed. Of course, when you succeed in installing the app, you actually be taken to the shortcut like it is here. When you are here, make sure to click it and this is going to open for you. And of course, when you are actually here on the dashboard, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you come to these three lines that are actually here. Click on these three lines and this section will be open to you. Once as you are here, the first thing that you need to do is to come to this section that says BetMine Machine. Click on the BetMine Machine and you'll be taken here. When you are actually here, the first step is to first of all drag this cursor that is here. Make sure to drag this cursor till it is 1.50. And the second that you need to do is to make sure that you put the number of matches to 20. And when here you are 20, make sure to leave it on all leaks as it is here. Now, the next thing that you need to do is to make sure that you check for tomorrow and Wednesday as well, and whatever date that you have displayed, just make sure you check them off. You make sure that they are green, which means you have actually selected them. Here on the event type, make sure to click the down-headed arrow at this now and select whatever selection that you are interested. You are interested in the home and away, home or away to win, it is 1x2. If it is for goal, you can see 1x2 HT, which is in the first half. You can see the half prediction. You can see goals under 1.5. You can see whatever selection that you want. In this tutorial, of course, I'm going to select over 2.5 goals as an example. When you actually select that, you are going to see the search button that is actually here. Make sure to click on the search and they are going to ask you to watch a short video ad. And of course, click on watch. And when you click on watch, this is going to display to you. So let's give it a wait and see what we have. So when this happens, what will happen is you will actually be displayed with the result as it is here based on the selection that you have actually made. So now they are telling you that it is unavailable. When this happens, click on continue and make sure that when you actually click on continue, come back again one step, still go on search and insist. Watch the video and continue. Of course, sometimes this happens, but you need to insist. And when you keep insisting, the result, of course, will be displayed to you. And if it still continues to like telling you that you cannot see the result based on it is unavailability, keep sure to keep insisting until you are going to have this result. So let's go ahead. Let's do the same again on search. Click on search, watch the video, and let's give it a wait. Okay, now the result has been displayed to you. And of course, these are actually the result that we have based on the over 2.5 goal selection that we have actually choose. So make sure that when you have that display notification of search result not available, keep insisting and the result will be displayed to you. Once as you are here, like for example on the first one in the Iceland, you can see that this has been predicted as 2.5. So what you need to do is when you see a prediction here, don't just go for it. Make sure to click on it and check for the standing table based on the home and away performance. And if they actually meet the need of why it is 2.5, if it convinces you, then you can go ahead to select it and include in your bet slip. So let's click here and open and see what we have. So when you click on any match as it is being displayed there, you are going to be taken to the standing. So if you see this kind of displayed ad to you, make sure to close it, close, and you are going to be taken here. So we are actually here. Here you can see the statistics. You can see statistics here. You can see standing and other menus that are actually here. When you are here, make sure to come to standings. Make sure to come to standing as it is here. Click on the standings and you are going to be taken to this table. Here you can actually check the team based on home and away performance. For example, K Arrow, you can see, make sure to check it here. This is K Arrow here. You can see it here. They have actually played 12 games. They have win 4. You can see that they have win 4, draw 4, lose. You can see, and the goal scored as GS, which is up here. You can see that they have 16 goals scored and they have received 19. So this is how you can check the performance based on the standing by making sure that you check this team on this standing table to see their performance based on the goals scored and goals conceived. You can even see more detailedly by making sure that you check for both the home performance as well as the away performance. And when this meets your need, of course, you can go ahead to select that and include in your bet slip. So this is how you can actually check games based on the result that you have been given as based on the selection. So you have to go to the next, repeat the same procedure, clicking it over and checking the standing table as well as the home and away performance, just as we did from the previous one. As you are here, just come on standing as it's here, click on it and make sure that you check the performances of the home and away based on the table. The home and away performances, you can check them out. And you have other menu that are actually up here. You can actually also check for similar matches as this here. When you click on similar, they are going to give you results of matches that are actually similar. You can repeat the same by making sure that you open each and every one of them, checking the performance of home and away by using the standing table. And of course, this is how you can actually use this app to find matches and to include them on your bet slip, of course. So of course, when this is being done, you can actually now let's go back from where here we are actually here. Let's come back to the app. This is where we were before. And of course, if you are somebody who who want to go in for, maybe you don't want this over 2.5, you can just remove it from your selection. If you want to go for home or away to win, make sure to select that and still repeat the same procedure of entering in the search. Click on search, watch the short ad, and the result will be displayed to you. So this is how you can actually use this to make sure that you predict games. You can see how it is here. Of course, make sure to click and open each and every one of them to check for the home and away performances of each game. And if this actually meet your need, you can include that in your bet slip. And this is how you can actually use BetMinds for the better use. And of course, without wanting to make this video to be very lengthy, make sure that you check the links below this video description to see other top predicted app that we have as a list for you. And of course, here the second in our list, actually you have Footy Start. Here, this is actually Footy Start. If you install this, make sure that you open the Footy Start here on this section. Here you can see that you have a lot of games here. You can use this area that says prediction, click on prediction, and you are going to be taken to this section. Here on this section, you have today's prediction, you have over 2.5, you have both teams to score, whatever selection that you want. Make sure that you just click on today's prediction as an example. You are going to be taken to the prediction of today and all the results will be displayed to you. And of course, if these results are displayed to you, you can go ahead to see what predictions that they have, make a selection of what they have on you, but do not make sure that you always check what they give you. Make sure that you use a third-party site to check for the home and away performance or a standing table to see that it suits your need. And if that is the case, it suits your need, then you can go ahead to select and include them in your slip. So I don't want to make this video very lengthy. Just make sure that you check the links below this description. We have a drafted handpick best soccer prediction apps that we have actually described them for you out. Check them and see how you can actually test them out for your bet picks. And thank you very much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new post notification and update. And see you again in our next episode. Bye bye.